have you, how to develop EXEs in .NET? Anywhere have you seen EXEs?
No, sir. No, sir.
Think twice and thrice. Because
Yes,
collection of classes,
whatever to
collection of classes
all are
which has main method is will produce exe file. Till the time you are developing console application, till the time you are developing console application, you are developing what application? Console application. That console application is producing that console application is it is nothing but
exe file,
files only.
exe file, executable file.
They're all executable files only. Okay, which are all executable files only. So how can I say which are all executable files? Because which contain collection of classes which has what method?
Main method.
Method.
Main method.
Method means it will produce your console applications, and next your Windows applications also will have main methods. All whatever applications you are developing, all are producing what files? exe files. Okay, right. Finally, differences between DLL and exe. Just go through the 5 points.